Okay everybody, welcome back to another video. Well, today's video is sponsored by AuxBeam, and this company has been wonderful. They reached out to me once again and wanted to know if I wanted to receive, install, test, and review a set of their new LED headlights. There's the information right there, and there will be a link in the description. So they're going to be installed in my 2002 Ford Ranger. And some of you may know that I already have LED light bulbs in here, but their correspondence to me was pretty perfect because these LED light bulbs that I bought were really cheap, and one of them is already starting to fail. It's starting to flicker pretty badly, turn on and off. So this came at a great time. Anyway, I will go ahead and open up the box here. Came with a couple cool stickers. Look like they're magnetic. Or not magnetic, I'm sorry, reflective. And I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I'll go ahead and do that in this case. So it looks like it comes with the lamps here and the adapters, and I did choose 9007 to fit the factory harnesses in here. And these are pretty easy to install. I just need to lift the hood and pop out these lenses, and I should be able to take out the old ones, and I will show you the old one side by side with the new one. Stay tuned. All right, with the hood raised, just has these two retention clips, one right here and one right here. You just go ahead and pull them up and the whole lens and housing will slide out, at which point I can take out the old unit. So that's going to require two hands. Let me go ahead and do that. I actually forgot on this. I need to remove this top piece of trim so the adjuster can come out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my socket set. Be right back. Okay, here they are side by side. Here's the old one and here's the new one. This one looks like it has a separate driver. This is the old one. The new one looks to be smaller and more compact. Still the same 9007 harness on it though. So the only thing I'm not sure about is it didn't come with a retaining ring. This part right here, to go ahead and secure it to the headlight. So I know I'm gonna have to have one in order to make this work. So let me, well, I guess maybe I should check this accessories box first before I say anything. Okay, this looks like it's a canvas. I'm not sure I'll need this for my truck, which is older. But yeah, it doesn't look like it comes with these retaining rings. So I'm gonna try and see if I can make these older ones work. Okay, I think I figured it out. This collar right here will turn and pull off, which will allow me to put on the headlight retaining ring, the bulb retaining ring, to go ahead and secure this. So I'm going to go ahead, the old one came apart the same way, and it looks like the new one also accepts this ring. Without it, the bulb will just fall out. So let me get this done. Okay, got this passenger side installed. Now it did, the instructions don't say anything about using this retaining ring, but for my particular application, the lamp itself just wouldn't stay securely in the lens and housing. So, and these are aftermarket lenses, but I was able to use this factory retaining ring and secure it all in place. So now it's nice and sturdy. This one does have a cooling fan. It doesn't seem to be too noisy. Not that you can tell much of a difference now, but I'm going to go ahead and change the driver's side, and then I will do a final video and some thoughts once it gets dark. Okay, here it is at dark with the headlights installed on kind of a dark road, and I have them aimed properly. I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but in real life they look pretty much perfect. So I'm very happy with the light output. It seems to be a wider beam, my old generic ones that I had. So I would say these are definitely worth the money. And once again, there's going to be a link in the description. And this is a new product for AuxBeam. I'd like to thank them for allowing me to install and do a video on the product. I think it's a real nice upgrade for pretty much any vehicle. So definitely happy with the output of these. That'll pretty much do it for today. Thanks for taking the time out of your day. I definitely appreciate it. And as always, catch you on the flip side.